I thought today, I was a little concerned the first 4 minutes of the game. We turned the ball over too much for us, but we settled down. And I think today we proved that we're not just a three-point shooting team. And we told our players our goal was to get the ball in the paint. And I think we had 50 points in the paint, and that was what we were striving to do. Make them defend us inside, whether it was our post players or our guards. So I thought both these two young ladies, Shakina and Glory, they stepped up big for us. They made plays. Shakina made some defensive stops, and that's what we need from her. We need Shakina to be not just an All-American on paper, but she needs to prove it every day in practice and every day when we play. And Glory's not too far behind. We rely a lot on Glory and her presence inside, and both these two young ladies, I thought, did a heck of a job.